and boom, we got it. So what we got here is a Diloo detainer lock. It's a lock that I picked up from my local hardware store and looked pretty interesting. So let's go ahead and let's see if we can pick this thing. I don't know much about the Diloo locks. I've actually never seen a Diloo detainer lock, but here's the base of the lock with the keyway there, and I believe this particular lock has 8 discs in it. All right, pretty standard detainer lock. Probably not the highest security detainer lock, but let's go ahead and get this thing in the vise. I'll get it strapped down in focus, and so positioned so that you can see the base of the lock as it's being picked and the pick. There we go. All right, I'm gonna set all the discs clockwise, pretty much at their 0 cut. It's just easy. You don't have to do that, but it's easier to find the gate, the opening of each disc. So I'm gonna tension this detainer pick from the bottom. It's a bit challenging like that. I usually go over the top, but so you can see it, I'm gonna do it from the bottom. Okay, as I advance the pick, what I do is I find the center opening of each disc, and then I'll rotate it. And as I rotate it, I will release tension a little bit, find a gate, whether it's a true gate or a false gate. And then once I find a gate, I'll increase tension and then move the pick. I'll rotate the pick to see how much play is in that gate. And typically when the true gates have a little more play, you can rotate them a little bit more with the true gate. And then if I don't find a gate, I'll put it back to 0, rotate it clockwise all the way, so I can find it again, and then I'll just advance to the next disc. Yeah, if I don't find a gate, I'll try several times with different tension, and if I don't find it, I'll just rotate it clockwise and leave the disc in the full clockwise rotation, and then just keep on. I'll just repeat that for every disc. A challenge here is to keep the challenge here is to keep the pick parallel to the base of the lock. Once it gets off kilter, it's just really hard to rotate that disc and not lose it with the pick, because the pick will slip off of the disc actually. So I'm just decreasing tension as I'm rotating those. All right. Okay, I think we got one right there. All right, advancing. Okay, boom, there we go. We got it open. All right. That wasn't too bad. All right, thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.